Do you know what the healthiest drinks for diabetes are? It's not just a curiosity question, but a matter of utmost importance. For individuals living with diabetes, diet plays a pivotal role in managing their condition. The beverages we consume can significantly influence blood sugar levels, overall health, and even help prevent future complications. It's all about making the right choices and understanding the impact of these choices on our health. Stay tuned as we go through the 11 healthiest drinks for diabetes. Kickstarting our list is water. The most vital and refreshing drink of all, water assists in maintaining hydration, crucial for overall health. As a zero-calorie drink, water is an excellent choice for people with diabetes. It aids in metabolizing the food we eat and helps the kidneys flush out excess blood sugar through urine. Next comes green tea, a beverage steeped in antioxidants. It's known to have a positive effect on heart health, but did you know it also helps manage blood sugar levels? The antioxidants, specifically polyphenols, can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar. Lastly, we have black tea. Similar to green tea, black tea is rich in antioxidants, but it's the compound called theaflavins in black tea that makes it stand out. Theaflavins have been shown to lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. These three beverages not only help manage diabetes, but also provide other health benefits. Continuing our list, we have milk. A staple in many households, milk isn't just for kids. It's an excellent source of essential nutrients like calcium and vitamin D, which are crucial for bone health. The protein in milk also helps to keep you feeling fuller for longer, which can help manage your appetite and weight. Next up is tomato juice. Tomatoes are rich in a powerful antioxidant called lycopene, which can reduce inflammation and protect against heart disease. Fresh tomato juice also contains less sugar than many other fruit juices, making it a healthier choice for those watching their sugar intake. Lastly, for this segment, we have apple cider vinegar. While it may not be your typical drink, it's worth considering. Studies suggest that it can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a potential ally in managing diabetes. Just remember to dilute it with water to protect your teeth. These drinks are not just tasty, but also pack a punch when it comes to health benefits. Moving on, we have protein shakes. These drinks are a powerhouse of nutrition. Not only do they help in muscle building, but they also aid in maintaining a steady blood sugar level. Protein shakes are a smart choice for those who are always on the go. They're easy to make and can be tailored to your taste buds. Next up is herbal tea. This soothing beverage is not only for relaxation, but also a great way to manage diabetes. Herbal teas like chamomile, hibiscus, and peppermint are known to reduce blood sugar levels. They also provide a calming effect, making them a perfect companion for your evening relaxation routine. Last in this set, we have vegetable juice. This beverage is a nutrient-dense powerhouse. It's packed with vitamins and minerals essential for your overall health. Regular intake can help manage blood sugar levels and provide the body with necessary nutrients. These beverages are great sources of essential nutrients and antioxidants. Wrapping up our list, we have coffee. A daily cup or two can help boost your metabolism, making it a great addition to a diabetes-friendly diet. But let's not forget almond milk, a wonderful dairy-free alternative. Rich in calcium and vitamin D, it's perfect for those looking for a low-sugar, low-carb option. Remember, managing diabetes is not just about medication, but also about making the right dietary choices. Let's do a quick recap. We've covered 11 healthful drinks for diabetes, from antioxidant-rich green tea to almond milk packed with vitamin D. Remember, these beverages can offer significant benefits like blood sugar control and heart health. Here's to making healthier drink choices for a healthier you.